Hey everybody, welcome back to another installment of Universe Jarvis. So, I actually got something new, and a lot of you have been asking for this, or for me to do, I guess, a new unboxing of this. So, I made an order at Sprayground, and I got another Moneybear. It's been a while, actually, since I've gotten a Moneybear. This one came out probably 2 weekends ago at this point. It was actually kind of late getting here, but it finally arrived. So, let's jump in. So, here's our box here. Now this one actually was kind of cool. So let's see if it looks as nice in person as it did on the site. All right. There we go. Okay, it actually doesn't look half bad. They changed some of the tags, it looks like, too, so there's that. All right, let's pull it out. And I had to peek to remember the name because I can't remember the name. All right, so here we go. Their usual packaging. All right, so they actually changed some things on the plastic that they put on these. So this says, open up your imagination. So they've done a little bit of, made a few changes. The colors on this one is actually really nice. I like this pink. It's kind of a fuchsia situation. So this is the Sprayground Design Storm Moneybear. And there were some other pieces that dropped with it, but it's actually kind of cool. So you got the pink here, all the kind of standard things. I actually think they no, they went backwards. So at one point you could take this money off. I think I have one or two where you can take the little money stack off of it. But pretty much a lot of the same details that you see on most of them. Follow your dreams right there on the right cheek. That's kind of cool on that arm, dirty money. And you kind of got this graffiti thing going on. $sign with that all-seeing eye. You got Hustler embroidered over there. It's got a white chain on too that matches kind of that speckled situation it's got going on. So all kind of the standard things. Each one of the arms has a little pocket. So there's a pocket there. Flip that up. There's another pocket here. And then of course we've got the belly pocket here. And then the main pocket, if you will, going to be on the back, and it goes down the length for the most part. So that goes down here. It actually stops right here where you see that seam. So all right, cool. Zip it up. I want to check out this tag because this tag is like new, like I said. So it looks like they switched from the gold tags to the silver. Oh wow, this has got what, 50 million on there, Year of the Shark. I don't know, I kind of like the gold a little bit better, but I mean, I guess they have to change it up, and then there you go, limited edition. All right, so it's pretty cool. Oh, didn't even notice this. So the little clasp right here actually has that same speckle pattern going on. That's kind of cool. All right, and this actually, you can remove it all the way, so I guess if you don't want to carry it as a backpack. I'm actually pretty excited about this. This is probably one of the coolest looking ones that I've had in a while, so pretty exciting stuff. They haven't done any mini bears for a while, so I'm kind of wondering when they're going to do a drop. But of course, they're closed right now. They'll open up, I think, later tomorrow. Hang on. I had the website pulled up. It'll tell me the hours here. Let's see. Yeah, 7 more hours, so they'll be open later this afternoon, or evening, I guess I should say, so I'll have to check it out. Well, that's what I've got. If you haven't done so, do not forget to hit the subscribe button below, comment. I love having conversations with you guys. And until next time, Universe Jarvis out.